When you're thinking about property management, it is an incredibly exciting degree. It is an incredibly exciting career path because it is so multifaceted.
You just get to dive in and really get your hands on everything from maintenance to marketing to resident relations.
When I heard about the program, I thought that would be great and something that was right up my alley.
Property management is a nice mix of everything. So the days you have to be super creative and use that part of your brain, you'd also get a break the next day to do other things, which I find for myself that's a really good balance.
It is asset management, and it is interface with clients, and it is really assisting property owners to maximize the benefits while making sure that those people who are tenants, making sure that they're comfortable, safe, feel like they have a sense of space and place. And whether it is, Boeing or a mall, or if it's an individual tenant in their home, then we prepare them to do that.
Hello everybody, thanks for coming out. Right now we're gonna do our ribbon cutting ceremony.
I like to consider myself a people person. I think that's why this job is great for me, I get to work with the resident piece, I get to work with my team piece. We work with our clients and our owners to make sure that they're happy. Thornton Place is really an incredible building. The commercial component is totally a huge part of Thornton Place, and I think that's what makes it so unique and special. It's exciting to be able to create an environment for our residents where, they have a great home that they can dwell in, but they can also pop outside and go catch a movie or go to the restaurant or hop on the light rail and head downtown.
We're having an event for the celebration of our mural that's being painted. So we really hope to have everybody come out.
Projects like those make it exciting.
So 12. And then a $50.
This is a field where the ability to pivot from one kind of business opportunity to a different kind of business opportunity is very easy. It's one of the fields that has not only survived through COVID and recession, but has thrived during those times. If a student comes in and has no property management experience, we actually require internships. They will be able to get property management experience, on-the-job experience that is paid.
My first experience in the field is going to be with Walls Property Management. So that was my internship, great experience there as a leasing intern. And now I'm going to start as a leasing agent / assistant property manager.
There's so much diversity in what you can manage and what you can do within property management that I think pretty much anyone can find a spot.
Having a program that exists that can introduce people to it, I think is really amazing.
It means that the students are going to be able to do applied learning. They're going to be able to interface with professionals. We have an advisory board, and all of the instructors are all professionals in the field.
I felt very supported in terms of the faculty because all of the professors in that program were great. They were always available, and if you needed any extra help, they were there and willing to help in any way they could.
This program is built for people who are working. Having a bachelor's online is so much more convenient for students. So you absolutely keep your job, feed your family, take a couple of courses a week, and we cost 1/3 the cost of a university. Not only are they going to be able to walk out and move forward in their career, but they'll now have the skills to be employed anywhere.